fam, it's Sticker Girl 79. I just want to show you. I decided to rock my 3.0 Jeremy Scott. I'm going all black and my belt. So here's the shoes. It's pretty dope. Side, back, and the front. And as you can see, my belt is pretty dope too. But anyway, I have two more reviews I have to do. This one, we picked it up Wednesday, I believe, right, Vic?
Yeah, it dropped on Wednesday.
This is the, y'all know what this is. I was super lucky to, my husband's able to get reserved my size 5. Size 5 is really hard to cop. So here's one of them. This is I think the Core Green, right?
Black green.
Yeah. Let me open this. I still don't know how to open this, but anyway.
Yeah, this is her first pair of Yeezys.
Yeah.
It's nearly impossible to get this size.
Okay, it doesn't open all the way.
You can pull it out.
I can't. It doesn't let me.
Cause you're squeezing the back, but don't worry about it.
Yeah. I did look at them at the store, but I didn't get a chance to try them on. So here's the front of the shoes. The side. It's pretty dope. I liked it. The back. The other side, the front, and then the inside. I hope you can see that. It's the Adidas. And then here's the label.
It's a little bit hard to see.
Yeah, it is hard. But I'm happy that I caught these. Here's my husband's pair. This is a V1.
Yeah, it's original Yeezy. This is the V2 version.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to look at some comparison real quick. Alright, so if you want to compare the two, you guys can notice the back has a heel pull tab.
The V2 doesn't.
And also the V2 curves in the back, so it pushes your foot forward.
Yeah.
See, look at this curve.
Right here.
Turn it sideways. So you see how it curves? And the older one doesn't. It just goes straight up. This one pushes forward, so recommending wise, I would recommend that you get your true to size.
Yeah.
Or half a size up maybe.
Yeah.
Because previously in the past, the very first version ran big. These, when she tried them on, she wears a 6.5 in women's, 5 in grade school size.
But this is a men's size.
Well, it's a unisex version. So really this would be a 5 in grade school size. It's men's, but it just drops down to a smaller size because that's how Adidas labels it. So they didn't make a woman's version of it, so they have to make it down to a size 5.
Yeah. It looked nice. I liked it. I'm in my first pair of Z, but I liked it. Let's see.
Yeah, you guys can see the traction pattern looks completely different.
It looked bigger. Well, I guess it's look wider.
Well, mine's wider, so the traction pattern is different. It shows a little bit more of the boost material through the rubber sole on there.
The bottom say boost. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean that. Bottom say boost right here. Oops, my hair. And it's like a see-through bottom.
Yeah, it's a little bit translucent.
Yeah.
So you can see through it.
And you see Adidas up here. And let me get you a close-up look of the shoes. Here's the front.
Now, supposedly this was green.
Yeah, but I don't know.
It doesn't really look too green.
Here's the back. The side. You might want to get closer, babe. I like the shoelace. It's like men, it's thicker. So, there it is.
Alright, and we're gonna stop for a second here. And we're gonna show you a clip of us actually in the store purchasing the shoes. And then we'll go back to her reviewing it on feet.
Alright.
So, one moment, let me stop the video. And we'll show you that clip of us being in the store purchasing the shoes so you guys don't trip out and say that we bought these shoes online or they're fake or something. Alright?
Yeah.
So,
I don't play with fake, I'm sorry.
Alright, give us 1 second and we'll show you that clip of us in the store. Alright.
Can I see them?
Oh, see them? Yeah. Well, yeah, y'all next.
Thank you. Can you open it for me?
Can
And you
stand
just
my
have
VIP?
How do you open this thing?
Michael?
Yeah, Michael.
How do you open this thing? Oh.
That's me.
They're big.
Yeah,
She'll give you an ID back.
Can you see? Let me see. Oh, can he use the reward? Monday. Can I see the second one?
It's gonna be $4.76 and 30 cents.
Can I see the second one? It's not green?
Yeah, it's kind of greenish. Not really. Yeah, it's green. But it's like a off green.
Okay. Can I get two separate bags?
It's gonna be $4.76 and 30 cents. The chip?
Yeah.
We can enter at the bottom.
Hey, baby, Uncle Lee's though.
Hey fam, I guess you see the clip of us going to Foot Locker to purchase the shoes, the V2. We purchased 2 shoes in my size. So let me put them on to show you how it look like. See the Jeremy Scott 3.0. I have to buy size 6. That's because there's the socks in there. You see it? So that's the reason why. But that's, I guess I'll do that later. Fix that later.
And I didn't notice this, but this right here in the back,
Oh, it had 3 stripes.
yeah, it's lighting up in 3M.
Oh, it is?
Mm-hmm.
So let me put that out the way. Actually, this is really, it's not too bad. It's it fits you to size. I'm wearing thin socks right now, so my foot is like right here. So I don't know what's. I normally wear thicker socks, but thin socks is right there. I mean, my foot's right there. So here's the side, the shoes. Overall, it's really comfortable. Yeah, I can win. Here's the back, bottom. Yeah, the back do push your foot forward, but I'm good with that. I'm just happy that I was able to cop 2 pair. Here's the side.
Yeah, and we pay retail on these.
Yeah, they're
It was $220.
$220 plus tax. So yeah.
And we would never pay resale on
No.
this because we're not gonna pay $1,800 or whatever
No.
they're
I don't
charging
think this
for
is
them.
worth a lot anyway.
I think resale on these are like 700 something.
Yeah.
But
Right.
we would never pay resale for Yeezys.
Yeah.
If we don't get it, we don't get it.
Yeah. I'm not planning to sell this since I want to. Well, my husband got different Yeezy, but at least we have some Yeezy to twin up.
To finally match each other.
I liked it. Yeah. Yeah, I liked it a lot. So.
The cushion is comfortable.
Yeah.
Is it more comfortable than Ultra Boost or?
Yeah, it is. It's better. It's wider than the Ultra Boost. Ultra Boost is like tucked in. I believe someone asked me about what was it? What's the lady's name? Sarah
McCartney.
I like her brand. I got one. I just couldn't find it. I got size 5.5. That one fit true to size. But like I say in my video, you have to try them on to make sure it fit you true to size or not. But her shoe lines, it is comfortable. You just need to make sure that you have to try them on, or at least get the centimeter to make sure that that's your size.
Yeah, that's just how Adidas runs.
Yeah. So here's let me show you the front again. It says Core Green, but it doesn't look like Core Green to me. But I'm good. Here's the side. Alright. Bottom. Side. This is my first time wearing them, so my first time actually own one, so I guess I'm.
Yeah, we've tried a long time to actually win her pair, and we were unsuccessful. It was just very hard to grab.
Yeah, my side.
Yeah, so we were very surprised to actually win the raffle through them.
Yeah.
Through Foot Locker.
And of course, I liked it. Thank you, babe.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, that's how the shoe look like on foot, guys. As always, guys, I really appreciate everyone that watching. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you were able to cut your size, and was it easy? To me, it's not. But I really appreciate everyone watching. Watching. Hit that thumb up button, and leave me a comment. I'll make sure to respond to you guys. Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Bye.